The KS Marquee snippet is a nice Shopify snippet to have to add some interactivity on a Shopify store. Besides that, you can scroll text with different styles, as you can see on our demo. Also, you can scroll images as well, so you can build a nice brand list that scrolls in an infinite way. Okay, first we are going to check the installation, and then we are going to check the various settings that the snippet offers. After you have downloaded the snippet, double click to unzip it, and once you open it, you'll notice that it has two files, one marked with down and one marked with general. Use the one marked with down if you're using the official Shopify down theme, and for any other Shopify theme you should use the one marked as general. Okay, open it on your preferred editor. Let's close every other files first that we have. Okay, copy all the contents of the file, and from your Shopify admin, go to the theme you want to install it, edit code, and then from the sidebar on the left, since this snippet is a section, add a new section called KS Marquee. Okay, so all you have to do is paste the contents of the file that you have just copied and hit the save button. Then again, from the same theme, hit the customize button, and then of course you can add this section on any page that you prefer. For our example, let's add it simply on the home page. Add section KS Marquee. Let's position it after the banner, the image banner, and as you can see, the snippet already got some simple data, and as soon as you hit the save button here, we should see that it is nicely animating. Okay, that should be all for the installation. Next, we are going to check the configuration. Okay, so first we can change the color scheme if you prefer to have a different one. For example, let's choose this nice blue color, and as you can see, the marquee now has a different style, which looks very nice in my opinion. Okay, let's leave it black on the default one. Let's choose another one, for example, this nice green color. Okay, then we have the list label. This is used for accessibility purposes for users that are browsing your store with a screen reader. Okay, then we have the font size. If you prefer to have a bigger font size, I'll choose this settings as needed, or smaller for that matter. Okay, then we have the marquee group settings. Okay, so you can change the animation duration. This is the animation speed. For example, we have 30 seconds, which means that the whole snippet needs 30 seconds to finish. For example, if you have it higher, you'll notice that now it should be much more slower. Adjust the settings as you prefer. Okay, so we have the direction that you can change. For example, now the marquee is moving on the left side, but if you prefer to move it on the right side, use this setting here. Okay, then you have the section padding settings. We have a new setting here called gap. That is the spacing between items. You adjust these settings if you prefer to have a wider or more narrow gap in between the marquee items. Let's leave it to 16. Okay, and we have two more settings for the top padding and the bottom padding if you prefer for the marquee to have more spacing. Okay. So, as we have stated on the beginning of the video, beside the text, you can use this snippet to show your brands. Let's check how we can do that as well. Okay, let's leave this. Let's leave this here and simply add a new one called KS Marquee. Position again on the top, and then let's quickly remove all the default blocks that we have. And now when you add a new block, you'll notice that you have two options, one for the text and one for the image. We just seen the one for the text. Now let's select image and let's check here. Let's have some test image, for example. Let's quickly add some more. Let's add a new one as well. Let's choose Shopify for this example, because the marquee snippet needs some blocks, not just one or two, but 5, 6 or more blocks to correctly scroll the items. Okay, as you can see now, the marquee is animating the items now. Let's change a bit more the blocks here. Okay, now as you can see, this assumes that we are showing your brand's logos here. Okay, let's adjust a bit more the spacing, and this should be fine. Okay, so for each block, beside the image that you can choose, you can also adjust the image height if you prefer for the image to be bigger or smaller. Okay, let's leave it to 40. Also, for each of the images here, you can also add an URL which normally should point to the respective collection that you have. For example, let's choose home page here, and now the user can click on the image. Okay, as you can see here, the user can click and it will go on the respective collection page. That should be all for the marquee snippet. Thanks for watching.